Hello and welcome to our day number 13 of our letters challenge for February 2019. Today we are lettering Be like water. Enjoy the process. To create this piece I will be using watercolors, and I have a black ink and clean water, paper to clean the brushes. I have a water brush and a fine liner. I have paper, of course, watercolor papers, 300 grams. It's better because it absorbs the water better. And I have a layout that I will be using as a reference. I am not copying it this time, but I will be looking at it. I will trace the layout very lightly with this pen and with this pencil that is erasable. First, I will be tracing or lettering the quote with ink, black ink, which is waterproof, and then I will be use the watercolors. I will let it dry very good, and then I will use the watercolors. Enjoy the process. And now this beautiful piece remembering us of water is ready. Do you like the shimmery? I love it. I love it very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you for being here. Have a beautiful and amazing day. Bye!